महाराष्ट्र आपला वेबवाणी घेऊन आली आहे माहिती मनोरंजन व ताजा घडामोडीचा खजाना। गल्ली ते दिल्लीच्या घडामोडीचा आढावा थेट आपल्यापर्यंत। तर मग बघत रहा, ऐकत रहा महाराष्ट्र आपला न्यूज वेबवाणी।
Audio Jungle.
Welcome to Maharashtra Apla Webwani. This is Preeti Sabe. Let's have a look towards today's top news. The much awaited landfall process of the South cyclonic storm finally started at 9:15 a.m. It has touched the coast at the south of Balasar and will be crossing the land in between Dhamra and Balasar in Odisha. The wind speed of the storm was around 130 km per hour to 140 km per hour at the time of landfall, and it is likely to increase slightly when the tail crosses the land. Regional Director of Indian Meteorological Center Sanjeev Bandyopadhyay told the media. Skymet President GP Sharma was talking to ABP News and he said that the extreme weather conditions will remain till at least 12:30 p.m. On the other ground visuals show a housey bank were done away with, coastal shops were washed away and the water entered the low-lying areas of West Bengal and Odisha. After weeks of strict lockdown-like restrictions across several states and cities, the number of fresh COVID-19 cases and deaths related to the novel disease has started to slow down. According to the Union Health Ministry, active case load has further declined to 24,95,591. As per the data share, India witnessed a decrease of 91,191 in active cases in last 24 hours. ML had a controversy over the WhatsApp privacy policy and IT intermediary rules 2021. The Facebook-owned messaging app has filed a lawsuit against the Indian government in the Delhi High Court. WhatsApp has challenged the Information Technology Rules 2021 is in its DNA and requiring messaging apps to trace chats undermines people's right to privacy. Let's have a short break. Welcome back after the break. In the districts where the weekly positivity rate is higher than the state average, especially in rural areas, instructions have been given to the system. Emphasis on institutional segregation. Emphasis on institutional segregation. Home isolation facility will continue, Health Minister Rajesh Tope clarified. Demanding State Sports and Youth Welfare Minister Sunil Kedar should play in funding infrastructure for rupees 200 crore in India with a variety of pending state and the Union of Sports and Youth Welfare Minister Kiren Rijiju. Child marriage is a burning issue and has come to the fore in the corona period. This woman is the subject of child protection. Therefore, the child minister and the deputy chief minister will be asked to get the amount from the Nirbhaya Fund for child marriage prevention measures, informed the Minister for Women and Child Development Advocate presented by Yashomati Thakur. Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar today decided to approve spending of funds from the 15th Finance Commissions on Health Facilities to strengthen the fight against corona in rural areas. The order was issued just hours after the decision was taken at a meeting with the Deputy Chief Minister. This has strengthened fight against myocardial infarction with the corona. An order has also been given to the district collector to spend 30% of the funds for health from the district mineral development fund. The subcommittee on Maratha reservation today reviewed the implementation of various decisions taken by the state government for the Maratha community. In the wake of the Supreme Court case, the Chief Secretary has been directed to submit a proposal to the cabinet meeting immediately to ensure justice to the candidates affected in the requirement of government servants, said Ashok Chauhan, chairman of the subcommittee. So by this today's news have finished. Have a good day.